In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Google Ads account. This is an essential skill if you work with a team or need someone else to manage your campaigns and account settings. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to your Google Ads account. Once you're on the overview page, you'll find all the essential information about your ongoing campaigns. From here, you can navigate to the different sections of your account, but for our purpose today, we'll move towards the admin section. Hover your mouse over the admin area. Don't click just yet, this will allow the drop down menu to appear. The admin section is where you can change your account settings, including billing information and, crucially for us, user access. Navigating through this menu will help you manage who can see and who can change what in your account, so be sure to familiarize yourself with its layout over time. Now, within the admin menu, you should see an option labeled Access and Security. Click on this to proceed. This section is dedicated to the security measures for your account and grants you the ability to add or remove user access. It's important to maintain this area to only include trusted people, as they will have varying degrees of control over your account operations. Once you're in the Access and Security section, look for the plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to start the process of inviting a new user to your account. The plus icon often indicates where you can add something new, whether it's a new campaign or user access, so keep an eye out for it when navigating Google Tools. Go ahead and type the email address of the person you want to invite in the designated field. Make sure you've entered it correctly, as this email will receive the invitation. It's best to double check the spelling to avoid any invitations going astray. Now you can select any access level that's appropriate for the new user. This step depends on what role the person you're inviting will play in your Google Ads account. The levels range from view-only access, which is great for someone who just needs to see reports, to full administrative control, which you'll want to reserve for someone you truly trust. Finally, after deciding on the appropriate access level, simply click on Send Invitation. This action will prompt Google Ads to send an email invitation to the person you've just added. They will receive a message with a link to accept your invitation, and once they've accepted, they'll be able to access your account with the permissions you've assigned. And there you have it. You've successfully added someone to your Google Ads account. Remember to manage your user list regularly to ensure only the right people have access. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit.